Hi everyone, in this video we will be understanding about what is business intelligence, what are its key importance and advantages in organizations. So let's get started by understanding what is business intelligence. Business intelligence refers to all the procedures and technical infrastructure that collects, stores, analyzes the data produced by companies' day-to-day operations. The purpose of business intelligence is to support better decision making. Business intelligence systems are essentially based upon data-driven decision support systems. BI is a broad term that encompasses data mining, process analysis, performance benchmarking, and descriptive analytics. BI parses all the data generated by business and presents them in easy reports, performance measures, and trends that information to management to take informed decisions. Now let's understand what is the need and what is the importance of business intelligence. The need of business intelligence was derived from the concept that managers with inaccurate or incomplete information tend to take wrong decisions. It was also based upon the problem that organizations were facing, that is on the basis of garbage in and garbage out, which resulted in inaccurate and insufficient data analysis. The importance of business intelligence system is that it provides historical, current and predictive views of business operations, most often using data that has been gathered in data warehouse or data marts. The software elements support reporting, interactive slice and dice operations, pivot table analysis, visualization of data, and statistical data mining techniques. The application tackles sales, production, financial, and other sources of business data for the purpose that includes business performance management. Information is often gathered by other companies in the same industries, which is also known as benchmarking, to improve the current operations within the organization. Now let's understand the advantages of business intelligence. Business intelligence helps to streamline the operations. In an organization, there are different functions and different operations that are going on. With the help of business intelligence, you can streamline all the operations. It helps to improve the efficiency. It helps in carrying out the real cost analysis. It helps in better inventory management, and it helps in periodic pattern assessment and predicting the business trends. That's all in this video. Thank you and happy learning.